Abu Saeed Khudri, God be pleased with him, narrates, "The Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, used to feed the camels himself. He would perform household chores, mend shoes, darn clothes, milk goats, and eat in the company of servants. If a servant became tired while grinding flour, he would help him at this. He would not feel belittled carrying household goods from the market to the house. He would shake hands with the rich and the poor alike. He would always be the first to extend greetings. He would not disdain accepting an invitation, not even so small an invitation as to join in eating dates. He would relieve those who toiled. He was mild, tempered, and kind-hearted. His conduct was excellent, and he was always cheerful. He would smile but would not laugh loudly. He would not frown even when vexed. He was humble but not lowly, generous but not extravagant. He was tender-hearted and merciful to all Muslims alike. He would never eat his fill to the point where one is likely to start yawning. He would never extend his hand, motivated by greed." Mishkaat.